Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for Monday, 17th May 2021. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP, and you can see on the screen I am on the 4 hours time frame, and as you can see right now market is trading at 0.8613. Sorry, not trading at, this is the last traded price. Okay, this is the last traded price. And if I zoom out the chart, you can see that market was coming down, and from this particular point market went up. And just look at these candles. Okay, you can see that market was under heavy pressure of the bulls, the buyers, and after that market went to sideways. Okay, if we just concentrate on this particular portion, then we can easily see that there was not much trend on the market. Okay, market went sideways. So right now we can see that still market is caught in this particular range. Now let's switch to the weekly time frame and see what the bigger time frame is telling us. If we look at the weekly time frame, then we can see that market has formed a red candle with price rejection from below, and overall it's kind of a hammer pattern but not a complete hammer. Okay, previous week market formed a hammer kind of a pattern again with good price rejection from below. Okay, overall we can see that the dominance of the sellers is still present in the market, but bulls are also present in the market who are not allowing the price to go down. So if the number of bulls are 40 in the market, okay, the number of sellers are 60 in the market. Okay, so both are present, but still there is a good amount of dominance of the sellers. Okay, this is the overall picture from the weekly chart, and we can see on the weekly chart that there is no prominent support or resistance level in the market as of now. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy for Monday. If I switch to the 4 hours time frame, then we can see that market is struggling. Okay, market is struggling to cross this particular level. Okay, and this level is 0.8716. okay, market is struggling to cross this level, and market is in this range for more than a month. Okay, for more than a month we can see that market is trying to cross the level, but whenever market is going up, sellers are pushing the price downward. As a result, market is caught in a range. And on the downside, we can see that market is having some support at this price level. Okay, this is 0.8716, and this is 0.8585. okay, so we have got now two levels in the market. This is the resistance and this is the support, and whenever we get a market like this, market is caught in a range, then our strategy is simple. Whenever market will be hitting the resistance level, okay, then you just need to observe the price. If you see that price is reversing from above, okay, if you see the price is struggling near the resistance, price is unable to cross the resistance, then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market once you get the confirmation. Yes, confirmation is important. Confirmation is shooting star kind of a pattern, price rejection from above, or a red candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, price is about to reverse again, resistance is still valid, then you can short the market just below the resistance, just below this level, 0.8716 level. On the other hand, when market will be hitting this level, okay, then you can go for buy once market reverses from the here on this, from the support, and this is a support. But we can see that market has come down to this support on 10th May, and since 10th May market is lingering around the support. Okay, why? which this kind of a pattern generally suggests that, okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, this candle suggests that though market is standing at a support, but still the steam is missing, the power of the bulls, the buying power is missing. As a result, market is just weak, just sleeping, standing at the support, but unable to take the price upward. To take the price upward, market requires a good amount of buying pressure, which is missing in the market. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, as I've already mentioned, market is just standing at a support. We'll have to wait for the market. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market to get some buying power. Okay, let the market open on Monday and just observe the price. If you see that there is some buying power in the market, buying power, or bulls have joined the party, then you can go for a buy. Or else we can see that market is in overbought zone. Okay, or wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone, and when stochastic RSI will be going up again like this from the oversold zone, when stochastic RSI will be ready to go up again from the oversold zone, look at the position of the price. If you see that price is standing at the support at 0.85 at 5 level, this level, then you can take a risk of buying. Okay, this otherwise wait for the market, okay, to bring some buying pressure, or wait for the bulls to come and join the party, then only you should go for the buy order. Okay, or else wait for the stochastic RSI to move from the oversold zone to the overbought zone. When stochastic RSI will be moving up, you can go for a buy. Otherwise, wait for the buying pressure only. And I have already mentioned when it will be reaching this level, then what you need to do. This is it. Hopefully you have understood what you need to do in Euro GBP chart. Okay, this is my personal analysis. If your analysis and point of view varies, then please mention in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.